Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to get or add screenshot icon in top notification bar on Android phone. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also add or get screenshot icon in top notification bar, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, open your notification bar, then press here pencil icon. In this you can see here screenshot icon. Hold this screenshot icon, then dark this option, then leave it. You can set anywhere and see here, then press on OK. Now open your notification bar. You can see here screenshot icon has been added on top notification bar. If you want a screenshot, then press this option. You can see here. That's it guys. So in this way you add or get a screenshot icon in top notification bar on Android phone. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.